Okay, well, we're back here on a new update on the Andor binocular project. Um, this has been a little while since I've actually made a video update on this project because this is kind of a long process of R&D work to get this unit to actually perform and do what it's supposed to do. So currently, this is the setup or the mechanism that I developed for it, and this is the standoff. This actually fits inside the case. And again, today I just finished up really doing a full test run on it, and I've got both of the units done. There's a couple little more cleanup things I need to do on these, but overall, it's pretty much complete. So what I wanted to show you guys is I wanted to show you it in action and show you the movement currently the way I got it set up. So anyway, over here I currently have there's a controller board. There's a little bit of a LED, or not LED, but a servo stepper motor driver board here, and a power supply. And all this mechanism is exactly identical that's on this one, but this one I've got it rigged up so I was testing back and forth between the two. So let me go ahead and arm it and get it ready. And I currently, how it's going to be actuated is there's going to be a little tiny momentary switch that's going to actually make the lenses spin. And so currently I have it set up so when you push the button, they're going to move in a counterclockwise direction, and then they're just going to they're going to stop. So each time that the momentary switch is actually pushed, it's going to make a rotation. And again, it's just going to just keep spinning around. And again, it's meant to go around, and that's it. Very quiet. Very well controlled, and again, this is really how you do some very precision motor operation, is by using the stepper motor, because you've got a lot of control, and again, you can see the smoothness of it. It's very smooth when it's actuating, and that's it. So again, success. I have the motor movement. It looks extremely accurate to the original, and I think it's good about the speed, and movement is just about right as far as the look. I studied it and I did a whole bunch of looking back and forth to see. And again, you can see right here, you see the little stepper motor driver here. It's got its own separate little setup up here to run that stepper. This is going to be all run off a little 5-volt battery setup. I've got most of the hardware for it. Got these nice little 4.8 2000 milliamp rechargeable batteries, and I'll have a little rechargeable board. So when you plug it in, it'll recharge, and then when you pull the plug out of it, it'll be ready to go. And there'll also be a master on and off switch on this as well that will actually take all the power and be able to shut it all the way off. So anyway, I think I'll end that video at that. Again, thanks for watching. This is the Andor replica prop for Star Wars that we are going to start working on the case and some of the hardware. That was another big thing too. Let me just, before I end the video all the way. So here's the case. This is after, again, this has been stripped, but the case needs to have some kind of way to open up. So one of the biggest challenges was to actually get all this hardware to fit inside here, and still be, I don't know, operational. Probably about the best word I can put for it. But when you go to set it all in there, and it kind of just settles in here. I don't have all the, I got to get it just right. There it is. So now, that's what it looks like with all the hardware inside. Somebody was asking me, how are you going to get all that to fit? Well, it's going to be tight when it's all said and done, but there you go. That's kind of basically what it's going to look like. And then I'll put some kind of a screw or some way to shut this and lock it, because the stock one it doesn't want to lock anymore. This and it won't hold it at all. So I'm going to have to create my own way to open and close it so it stays shut. But that's how it looks. And that's how it's going to look when it's all said and done. So anyway, that is the latest and greatest update on the Andor prop replica. I'll post this video. Thanks for watching and enjoy.